Hi, my name is Samisha Shankar, and I did my project on the fly mushroom. The breakdown of the taxonomy of the fly mushroom is the domain Eukarya, the kingdom fungi, the subkingdom Dicaria, the phylum Basidiomycota, the subphylum Agaricomycotina, the class Agaricomycetes, the order Agaricales, the family Amanitieaceae, the genus Amanitia, and the species Amanitia muscaria. The common name is the fly agaric or the fly mushroom. The kingdom breakdown, the kingdom cladogram shows the kingdom that it belongs to is fungi. It is multicellular, has a cell membrane. It does not contain cellulose, but it does contain chitin, and it is not a mouth eater, so it is between plantae and animalia where fungi lies. The phylum tree is a complicated breakdown due to the variance in fungi phylums. The closest phylum to Basidiomycota is the Ascomycetes, which is also known as baker's yeast. The difference between the fly mushroom and baker's yeast is the Ascomycetes has internal spores and the Basidiomycetes has external spores. There was a common ancestor which makes the subkingdom Dicaria, which separates it from many other phylums, but the closest phylums that there are Zygomycetes, which produces zygospores, and Chytridiomycetes, which has a flagella attached to it. Reproductive adaptations, the spores are external, which is different from Ascomycetes, which are internal. The mushroom is parallel to the ground, which increases distance of where the spores will drop. There's also a very high count of spores made, so to ensure that a few of the offspring will survive and reproduce in the future. Digestive adaptations, it goes through ectomycorrhizae, which is a symbiotic relationship it has with trees, in which it takes nutrients from trees but also gives nutrients back, and being a fungi it also decomposes dead organic material. Homeostasis adaptations for the fly mushroom is that it stores sugar as glycogens in the head of the mushroom, and doesn't spend a lot of energy going through the entire process of bringing nutrients back from the bottom to the top. Global distributions, it's located in almost all the world, in all continents except for Antarctica. Found in a very variety of regions, from lowlands, grasslands to highly dense forests. Habitat, it prefers woodlands areas where there's high vegetation to increase the amount of dead organic materials it can have. It also prefers large forests and jungles where it can do the symbiotic relationship with trees and get nutrients from them as well. The food web, fly mushrooms take in dead organic materials, and being poisonous, they are not consumed by any other animal, so no other species consumes the fly mushroom. The fossil records show that the phylum Basidiomycota arose around 400 million years ago in Scotland. So it arose in Europe at first in Rhine Chert rock, and it was in the Devonian age where this mushroom started to take growth, and that's all.